question ng ating subscriber kung pwede ba mag-file ng case kahit na nag-resign na. Ang sagot dyan, yes. Essentially, yung resignation sa Article 300 ng Labor Code, dalawang klase yan. Merong voluntary and involuntary. Kapag voluntary yung resignation mo, of course, nakakahiya namang mag-file ka pa. Illegal dismissal complaint, voluntarily resign ka na nga. And most likely, pag nag-voluntarily resign ka, wala ka ng issue doon sa separation mo. Now, it's the paragraph B that's the concern or that's the possible basis. Kasi, ang paragraph B, ito yung resignation due to just cause. Merong halimbawa serious insult, abuse, so mga unbearable treatment, making the employment impossible, prejudicial, unbearable. So, essentially grounds for constructive dismissal. Now, kapag nag-resign ka, kung ganun mga reasons behind it, then magpa-file ka ngayon dyan ang constructive dismissal, illegal dismissal, or wala namang